Hello everyone. In this episode of the ReviewsVidz, we are looking at the top 5 best countertop microwave in this year. I made this list based on my personal opinion and I try to list them based on their price, quality, durability and more. If you want to see more information with the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure you subscribe for the latest reviews. Okay, so let's get started. At number 5. Nostalgia RMO4RR. The spinning program dial is a multi-functioning controller. It can be used to set the time on the clock, adjust cooking time and to select a predefined cooking program. With a beautiful and sleek retro design, this microwave is sure to stand out in any kitchen. It features 12 pre-programmed cooking settings and a bright LED display, making usability simple. Its dimensions are 19 inches long by 14 inches wide by 11 inches high, 30 pounds weight, 0.9 cf with a rotating turntable. It has a deluxe, chrome handle. 5 power levels and 800 watts of power are perfect for reheating leftovers or cooking food. It includes 12 preset programs, adjustable power levels, and even a delay timer with an honest-to-goodness LED digital display that also works digital clock. It takes a few minutes to figure out how to operate this blast from the past. Rotating glass carousel helps cook food evenly. The microwave is a built-in alert signal that is able to know the moment the microwave is finished with its heating. It has the ideal balance between being inaudible and being too loud. It ensures a 1-year warranty including child-safe lock. At number 4. F. Blumline. Save time cooking meals and spend more time with your family. Save money on cabinets full of unused appliances by only buying one. Eat healthier by cooking with the powerful force of steam. These are just a few reasons why people around the world are hooked on the F. Blumline Ju 3200 convection steam oven. The stainless steel outer panels are safe to the touch while the triple-layer glass oven door gives you a sneak peek at what's cooking. Activate the child lock to prevent children from opening the door and burning themselves. The F. Blumline Ju 3200 convection steam oven will quickly become your one-stop kitchen solution by combining the following functions into one countertop appliance: steam, high-temp steam, grill, convection oven, combi steam, bake, convection, fermentation, and sterilization. There is also a preheat and defrost mode to use instead of a microwave. The F. Blumline Ju 3200 comes with 24 preset recipes to get you started with some easy-to-make dishes such as steamed veggies, a whole chicken, steamed fish fillets, and baked chiffon cake, just to name a few. Once you have some experience with the steam oven, you can save up to 10 customized cooking settings for later use to make your favorite recipes. * cookbook needed. Please feel free to contact F. Blumline customer service for PDF file. At number 3. Emerson Radio MWG9115SB. It is a dedicated grilling function with 11 regular microwave cooking levels and 2 combo power levels. It has 1.2 cubic feet of cooking space, metal front and black cabinet. Its size is 23.5 by 18.5 by 15 inches. Weight is 36 pounds with 12.4 inches turntable. Emerson MWG9115SB microwave oven has 1100 watts of grill output and 1100 watts of cooking power. 0.11 microwave power levels is 1 pure grill power level, 99-minute, 99-second digital timer. Time and weight defrost LED display with digital clock, 9 pre-programmed recipes, and a removable glass turntable for complete, even cooking. It offers 11 power levels, 2 combo power levels, and time and weight defrost for culinary convenience. There are 9 presets for common foods like popcorn, frozen pizza, potatoes and meat, chicken, but don't expect delayed start or other bells and whistles. It has an easy-to-read LED display with digital clock, and an end-of-cooking signal will let you know when your food is ready. Designed with safety in mind, the Emerson microwave has a child-safe lock that will keep little hands out of harm's way. Warranty, 1 year, limited. At number 2. Toshiba EM131A5C. Toshiba EM131A5CSS microwave oven appears with reasonably sized and fully featured. It has an attractive stainless steel finish with a high power setting of 1100 watts and sensor-controlled cooking. Its internal dimensions HXWXD is 20.5 by 17. 1 by 12, 8 inches and outside dimension HXWXD inches 13.07*15*9, 5 inch. It has a 1100 watt with 10 power settings, 1.2 cubic foot capacity with 12.4 inch turntable, and 37 pounds weight. The sensor function senses the amount of steam produced during cooking and automatically adjusts for optimal results. The EM131A5 CSS has 081 touch presets for common foods, 2 defrost settings, 1 pound auto defrost or custom, 1 touch start, and an add 30 seconds button, and a power saving mode. It has a large digital display that is easy to read. Control panel, has a clock function and can also display a countdown timer and the cooking time remaining, including power saving mode, sound on, off option, glass turntable. Rated input power, microwave, 1550 watt. This Toshiba also has buzzer system. To mute the buzzer, long press on the button 8 for 3 to 5 seconds. The buzzer is automatically switched off after a long beep. It has a 1-year warranty. At number 1. Panasonic NSN966S. It is the best for a large family because of its large size and lots of power. The powerful Panasonic microwave oven NSN966S built-in with inverter technology and Genius sensor makes it stylish. It has stainless steel door and base and stainless silver body. Its internal dimensions HXWXD is 10.94 inch by 18.44 inch by 18.50 inch and outside dimension HXWXD inches 14 by 23.9 x 19.4. The NSN966S is quite large. It has a 1250 watt high power, 2.2 cubic foot capacity with 16.5 inch turntable and 37 pounds that is thinner, lighter and more efficient, allowing you to devote less space to electronics and more to interior capacity. This model uses inverter technology with turbo defrost that generates a seamless stream of power and delivers consistent, evenly prepared food without overcooking. Advanced inverter turbo defrost speeds up defrosting time. This smart cooking settings comes with a Genius sensor that adjusts power and times based on different foods. Other advantages include 14 preset menu items, quick minute timer, delay start and child safety lock. It has Keep Warm feature that keeps soups, gravies or desserts warm and fresh until ready to serve. This oven is compatible with a trim kit for a 27-inch cabinet opening. It carries a 1-year limited warranty, 5 years on magnetron.